The packaging experience reflects the pragmatic design philosophy common to modern automotive electronics. The A800SE arrives securely housed with all the essential accessories needed for installation and initial operation. Inside the box, the dash cam itself is accompanied by the windshield mount, rear camera module, power cables, a car charger adapter, an electrostatic mounting sticker, adhesive pads, a cable routing trim tool, and documentation. The accessories emphasize ease of installation. The trim tool helps route cables cleanly along the interior panels, reducing visible wiring, while the electrostatic sticker ensures that the camera mount adheres securely to the windshield without leaving permanent residue. Overall, the unboxing experience communicates a clear intention. The system is designed for straightforward installation, even for users who may not have prior experience installing a dash camera. The defining characteristic of the A800SE is its true 4K recording capability. Unlike systems that rely on upscaling from lower resolutions, this camera captures native 4K frames at 30 frames per second. In real-world driving conditions, the level of detail is immediately noticeable. License plates remain readable at longer distances, road signage is clearly captured, and overall image sharpness remains consistent even during high-speed travel. The wide 140-degree field of view strikes a good balance between situational coverage and distortion control. It captures multiple lanes of traffic without introducing excessive fisheye effects that can compromise object recognition. Night performance is where the camera's optical system demonstrates its strength. The combination of the f1.55 aperture, HDR processing, and 70 mi's proprietary night imaging algorithms produces footage that remains surprisingly usable in challenging lighting conditions. Streetlights, headlights, and reflective surfaces are handled with balanced exposure, while darker areas maintain visible detail instead of collapsing into noise. The A800SE adopts a compact, cylindrical lens architecture integrated into a rectangular body housing the display and control buttons. The device feels solid and well-constructed, with a matte finish that minimizes reflections from sunlight, an important detail for a component mounted on the windshield. One of the most notable internal design decisions is the use of a supercapacitor instead of a lithium battery. This approach significantly improves thermal tolerance and operational reliability. The front lens assembly features a 7-layer glass optical stack paired with a wide f1.55 aperture. This configuration allows the camera to gather significantly more light than typical dashcam optics. The integrated display is bright and easily readable, while the physical buttons beneath it provide tactile control without requiring reliance on the mobile application. The 70mm A800SE dashcam succeeds by combining high-resolution imaging, reliable hardware design, and intelligent software integration into a cohesive automotive safety tool. Its native 4K recording provides genuinely useful evidentiary clarity, while the HDR processing ensures that footage remains usable even in difficult lighting conditions. The supercapacitor design significantly enhances durability compared to battery-powered dashcams, and the Wi-Fi 6 connection, paired with the well-designed mobile application, makes video management fast and convenient. Features such as buffered emergency recording, parking surveillance, GPS tracking, and ADAS alerts further expand its usefulness beyond simple video capture. For drivers seeking a dash camera capable of delivering professional-grade video documentation and practical safety features, the A800SE stands out as a well-balanced solution.